I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impax technology. With Impax technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. We've covered the lower twine tensioning system on this large square baler. Now we'd like to move to the upper twine tensioning system, starting at the twine box again. So the twine exits the twine box through a tensioning system that puts a slight amount of tension on the twine, and then it runs through a series of guides before reaching the upper roller tensioners. Now that we've covered most of the tying components on the bottom of the baler, we're going to walk up the ladder and take a look at the knotting components and upper twine tensioning system. Now we're at the top side of the baler. Wanted to show again the series of guides that the twine flows through on the top side of the machine. The twine's coming out of the twine box through a pre-tensioner system, through a series of guides, and then each twine for each knotter is fed through a roller tensioner. As this twine is being fed through the guides, there's friction created at each guide point. So you want to keep an eye out for wear on these guides and make sure to rotate them or replace them as necessary. So these roller tensioners are very similar design to what we saw on the lower side of the machine for the lower roller tension. The main difference is on the upper side of this particular machine, we now have two adjustment bolts to be able to adjust the upper roller tension per knotter all the way across. So similar to the lower roller tensioners, we can check the upper roller tensioners pretty easily by a simple test. Essentially, we can take our upper slacker arm, which is connected to our twine, pull that upper slacker arm down until it hits our twine finger actuating rod. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this twine on knotter number 3 and pull that upper roller tensioner down. So when we pull the upper slacker arm down, it should stop on the twine actuating rod. It should not be bouncing in that fashion. That means there's not enough tension on the upper roller tensioners. If we want to more accurately measure the roller tension on the upper twines, we can do something similar to what we did on the lower twines using a digital scale. So I'm going to take the twine and take some slack out so I'm not pulling against the upper slacker arm. And I'm going to just tie a simple loop knot in the twine, and I'm going to pull it in the direction of travel, just like we did for the lower roller tensioners. My scale is zeroed, so I'm going to hook that on my loop, and I'm going to pull slow and steady, and I'm seeing somewhere between 8 to 10 pounds of tension on the twine, on the upper roller tensioner. So that tells me our upper roller tensioner on this particular knotter is a little bit too low. So in that case, we would want to tighten the upper roller tensioners on this specific knotter, which we'll look at coming up.